Hi everyone, I'm Adya. I took part in Google Summer of Code 2024 under the organization NumFocus. I'm going to walk you through how to prepare for Google Summer of Code, apply successfully, and maximize your chances of getting selected. Start early. Start early and take time to connect with the organization you're interested in. Introduce yourself on their mailing list or forums and begin contributing by fixing a small bug or reviewing their documentation. This helps you build rapport with the community and shows that you're serious about the program. Organizations value contributors who understand their workflows and coding standards. Experience doesn't matter, skills do. You don't need years of coding experience to apply for Google Summer of Code. What matters most is your enthusiasm and ability to learn. If you're already familiar with certain tools or technologies that align with the project, be sure to highlight that in your application. But even if you're new to the tech stack, a strong willingness to learn goes a long way. How to write a great application. When writing your application, keep these tips in mind. Engage with the community. Talk to mentors, ask questions, and share your ideas early. Showcase your work. Include links to previous projects or contributions on GitHub. Be detailed. Break down your project into phases like community bonding, coding, and final submission. Clearly define deliverables for each phase. Demonstrate commitment. Let the organization know you've set aside time for Google Summer of Code and can dedicate yourself fully to the project. Finally, if you can, make a small contribution to the project before submitting your application. This demonstrates initiative and gets you familiar with their code base. What to do if you're selected. If you're selected, here's what you'll need to do during the program. Communicate regularly with your mentor. Use public forums for discussions whenever possible. Write bi-weekly progress updates, either in a blog or shared document. Push your code to GitHub frequently and ask for reviews early. Stay organized and meet deadlines for each evaluation period. Breaking your work into smaller tasks will help you stay on track and make steady progress. Writing a strong proposal. Your project proposal is one of the most important parts of your application. Here are some key points to include. A clear description of the problem you're solving. The approach you'll take to solve it, with details about the tools and technologies you'll use. A detailed timeline broken into weekly or bi-weekly milestones, examples of any relevant work you've done in the past. Make sure to get feedback from mentors and revise your proposal as needed before submitting the final version. Some time management tips. Plan your time realistically. Start by contributing to smaller tasks to understand the organization's codebase and workflow. Divide your project into smaller, manageable parts and allocate time for unexpected issues. It's better to set conservative timelines that you know you can achieve.